I was sent these two speakers to try out, and I cannot tell you how impressed I am with the quality. I love that as soon as you turn them on, they're very easy to sync to your phone and they automatically pair to one another. So they are always playing the exact same thing, which means that you can have like a surround sound quality Bluetooth speaker setup for all of your parties and outdoor hangouts when you're just grilling out with family. That's what we use it for. We spend a lot of time hanging out on the deck, and this has just added so much to that time together on the deck by just having nice music surrounding us, and they're lanterns too, so they also give off really great light. We also recently used them while we were camping, and they are absolutely perfect for that. Since they're a light, you can take it with you when you need to walk around your campsite. You can either choose to use the light portion of this lantern as a solid light, or you can hit the same light button again, and then the light will kind of react to whatever the beat is of the song, which is kind of fun. They are super easy to use and set up. They're really big. And like I said, the sound quality is just amazing, and they get very loud. So I definitely recommend these speakers. I love them.